AC duct tape, we call it SPL tape.
SPL tape?
It's actually built out of scraps.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, you got a lowrider. A little low seat.
Yeah.
Nice. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Chester Reynolds.
Okay.
Oh, he's going to pump this thing up a little bit. Got some ding dongs in the window.
So what all's in here?
It's 4 DDX12s on a Smart 3K. It's tuned to about 52 hertz, but it'll play down in the 30s.
So tuned high, but it'll still play it in the mid-30s. Awesome. All right.
Yeah.
Did you build the box?
Yes.
Sweet.
It's actually built out of scraps.
Uh-huh. Oh, so you got some extra wood and you added to it?
No, it's just I just built it out of scraps completely.
Really? Sweet. All right. Is there a port in the back?
Yeah, it's 2 7¼ inch ports.
Okay.
I'm only clamping around 2K.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I like it, man.
Thank you.
Nice job for making it work with, you said, scrap box, so it isn't even fully custom, brand new wood. It's all scrap to make it work.
It's all scrap to make it work.
Awesome, man.
And I'm about to build another box completely and change a few things, shrink it down some, and go for a higher score.
Ooh, higher. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I see the back real quick?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Is it a stock alternator?
No, I just put a Autotech Engineering 300 amp in.
300. That helped a lot?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Can I see that too?
Oh,
See
yeah.
everything? Nice. Very nice. I like that you put this in here. That helped a little bit with sealing off and having a smooth surface.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Second. And that's AC duct tape, we call it SPL tape.
SPL tape, HVAC, there's always a name in it. Yeah, I use the same thing. And these are the 600 RMS DDXs, or are they 1,000, 1,200? I can't remember.
1,200.
1,200, okay. Yep.
So they're way underpowered right now. They can go a lot more.
Yeah. And your amplifiers on the front, I saw it earlier, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a small 3K.
Yep. All right. Oh, hit it right there. So you had stock, and when you put this in, you could tell a big difference electrical-wise?
Oh yeah, voltage better.
Yeah. Hey, thank you. Nice to meet you again, man.
Nice to meet you again,
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Thank you.
pretty good. I like it, man.
Thank you.
Nice job. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.